That's how you feeling, like you're back in the game. We're gonna hunt some more crawfish. We need more crawfish. Now, if they don't have crawfish, y'all, alright, we're gonna go inside and try. It's gonna ruin the whole birthday, okay? Okay, y'all, so y'all gonna know if they have more when we be trying to give it to them. Y'all gonna see Mama do crawfish. Y'all, this is so crazy.
Where
like,
is it, Mama?
Louisiana, me please, right now, because this is the first time.
Y'all, so look, today it's my mama's birthday. And y'all, we came to Mama Jane's Seafood
heard me.
to get a whole sack of crawfish.
Yeah.
40 pounds.
What did he say?
It's about to go down.
40 pounds.
It's about to go down.
Now, y'all know, at Mama Jane's Seafood, you can get your crawfish live, boiled. You can get your turkey necks, your crabs, whatever you need.
Whatever kind of seafood you need.
Whatever kind of seafood you need.
You got to pull up to Mama
You
Jane.
got it. Y'all see where I'm at? Come pull up. Move.
Come on.
Move, Mama. What y'all doing? Ooh, that was pinching me. They pinched me. Little sneakies. Look all that, y'all. We started off with nothing and turned into something.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all didn't see me put the corn and the potatoes. In a minute, we about to do that crawfish. Gonna excite my soul when we do it.
Bounty stealing turkey necks.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Watch this.
Would you be my crush? Yeah, would you be my crush?